was editing the video, and obviously we are in the Dominican Republic right now, but I just realized that I was kind of slacking on getting footage during the passage. So yeah, I'm gonna put together a video that gives you an idea of what it's like, and the next passage video will be a lot better.
If you don't know me, my name is Naomi. I'm 17 years old and I live on a sailboat. And right now we're leaving the Bahamas. My long lost brother is back.
What's up? I'm Naomi's brother, Ian. I just turned 19 and we're headed out. Look at this.
Woo! I'm Lucy.
How old are you?
I'm 12. Speak louder.
What defines you?
What does that mean?
I'm Naomi's dad.
What's your name?
I don't know what else to say.
His name is Philip and it means lover of horses.
Which makes little sense because I don't have anything against horses, but I also don't love them.
And my mom is back.
Hi!
You wanna say something?
Back from saving lives back in Michigan. I'm a nurse.
How many lives?
Our dog's gone. Not dead.
Oh my gosh,
She's not with us.
She's not.
My dog Kona is in the States right now with Ian's girlfriend Elise. It's 6:10 and this is our first passage meal. There should only be 3, hopefully.
No fish again.
That's our sunset tonight. I am all ready for bed and I'm gonna get about 4 hours of sleep before I do my night watch. I'll explain more about what that is later, but I have to set an alarm for 12 because my shift is from 12 to 2 tonight. Day 2. Forgot to film any of my night watch last night. There will be more. Our buddy boat thinks they caught a fishing net in their prop, so we slowed down because we don't want to get too far ahead of them. And we're gonna get closer in case they need help. I'm gonna get some breakfast and then change and then go back up and do another bake watch sort of thing. Any updates? No updates yet on their prop. We think they jumped in the water to get it.
Good.
That'd be good. So they got the net off the prop and now raised their sails and we're underway. So problem's fixed and we can have full sails again. Day 2, dinner. It's a good passage meal. Thanks to Dad. We're going about 5 to 6 knots right now at a GPS heading of 119. Top speed today was 10 knots compared to 6 right now. We're not going very fast. we've done in a day is like 230 nautical miles a day. Okay, when we're going from Aruba to the Dominican Republic, we went 230 nautical miles in one day.
So I have the 10 to 12 watch tonight that I am getting ready for. And yeah, I'm just resting a little bit, set my alarm, maybe watch a movie or two before then, and then take you guys along and show you what it's like. Last night I totally forgot because I was just super tired for some reason. And yeah, gonna do a little bit of rest down here and then wake up at 10 and sit up there for 2 hours in the cold. But when you know you're suffering, you know everyone else is suffering, so you can't really complain about it. Day 3. Out here we kind of lose track of the days, so I'm pretty sure it's day 3. But I have just literally been lying in here all day, doing nothing, watching movies, texting friends, trying to keep myself busy. But now I'm gonna do some schoolwork because even though we're sailing, I still gotta do it. And yeah, I should go up for some fresh air in a little bit, but that's basically it. It's pretty boring on passage. You only have so much that you can do.
I am getting called up to put a reef in. We are reefing. The wind is too strong for the full mainsail, so we're feeling over too much.
I'll pull it tight and then release it. She has control of it up there because there's a jammer up there too. Alright, I'm gonna go into the wind. And let it go. She'll pull it down. You can give it throttle if you need more. Yay, we got it.
Dinner number 3. So I'm in the protection of our kind of tattered Dodger, but eating our burgers now. Sun's set. The sun has set. And I have first watch today, which is 8 to 10.
So because I neglected to get more footage the rest of the time, the sail was about 80 hours, and yeah, we're obviously here now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.